guys, today I'm going to teach you how to draw My Melody, one of my favorite sanrio characters. Are you ready? Let's start. Alright, so first we're going to start drawing her bunny ears. So all you gotta do is make the first ear by starting over here. Do a little curve for the ear like this, curve it around, use your arm movement, and there we go. Okay, next we're gonna do her second ear, which kind of point upwards. So it's like this and down. There we have two of her ears done. Next, I want to do her face. So it's gonna proportion like this. But before that, we're gonna make sure to draw her flower first. So make a circle here, and then the flower has 4 petals. So 1, 2, let's do 4, 3. Make it as even as you can. If you can't do it evenly, it's fine. Right, and then connect it together. Now next, we're gonna do her face. So it's like a rounded face, but a little bit more oval. So we're gonna start from here, and then we're gonna start this part from about here, I think. And push this down a little bit. And then we're gonna start from here. Okay, connect this part. So imagine the crease is here to here. All right, now let's draw her face. We're gonna go around, stop here. We're gonna do the same thing. Go around and stop and connect them together. Okay, now we have a cute face. We're gonna make the inner part of her face. We're gonna start from here and end it somewhere here, maybe. Let's start. Okay, it's like this, around and down. Here we go. Done. Now we have her face done. What we're gonna do is we're gonna draw her hands. So hands will bulge out a little bit here and here. Even though I already drew the line, it's okay. We're gonna do 2 bulges here and then down. I'm gonna do her fingers. So 4 fingers, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here we go. And then the other side is covered, so we don't need to draw the part. We just kind of like blend it in. All right, done. Now next, we're gonna draw her little sleeve. It's kind of like part of her shirt, I think. We're gonna connect it like this. I'm gonna do it from the other side too. This way, and then connect it here. All right, done. Now next, let's draw her arms. It has to go down. Her arms are just small and kind of chunky and very cute. Kind of go up. All right, now do the same thing for the other side. Down and go up. All right, you have her hands done. Now next is to move on to her body. She's pretty short. Here and here, and connect it between her legs. Should start from here. Really short legs, just 2 lines, like this. So I can imagine her feet to be one in front. This part connected, and then one on the other side too. Draw a line here, hide it from the back. Like this. This is a really cute and shy stance. All right, we have her legs done. Okay, next, the most important part, which is her face, her features. Right, so she has big eyes, one on each side, one here, and one here. And we're gonna draw the nose next, and then a cute little smiley face. There. We're done with the outline of My Melody. Now, next, all we're gonna do is color in her eyes. Now do the other side too. And it's pretty simple because she only has a few colors. That's done. Now the next part of her body. So her skin is actually white. We don't have to worry too much about it, but her nose is yellow. So let's color that in. Very cute. And then next, we're gonna do her skin color, which is pink. I mean her shirt and her bunny ears. All right, and then next, her hat. And done. Now that's left is this part of the flower, and that's about it. That's done. If you want to add on a few things to make it look better, we can do a little bit of shading here. Since her skin color is already white, I won't color that part in because the background is already white. The flower is also white, so, and then a little bit over here and here. And there, we're done with a very simple version of my melody. Hope you guys enjoy it.